In front of me is iPhone 16 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Apps. Then click on Passwords over here. Scroll all the way down to tap on Open Passwords and enter your passcode. Then click on one of those options to find your password that you wish to edit. Click on it. Choose Edit button at the top right corner and finally change whatever you want to. When you finish, hit Done at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!